New 10 inches rugged tablet with Windows 11 Pro. Supports 4G LTE and 5G network. Intel JASPER LAKE N5100 quad-core processor, up to 2.80 GHz. POE power and RJ45 for versatile connectivity. RS232 port, SIM, and pogo pin for industrial use. Iris recognition for advanced security. Fingerprint and Face ID for secure access. 3D barcode scanner for efficient data capture. Active pen with electromagnetic screen for precision inputs. NFC and RFID for contactless communication. IP65, waterproof, dustproof, crash-proof. IC contact card reader and binocular camera included. 12 volts, a fast charge PD for quick power up. Custom hardware and software, long-term support, turnkey solution.